Good day, sir. This is our report about compartmentation and how this affect watertight integrity. Compart- Compartmentation is fundamental design principle is shipbuilding, directly impacting a vessel's watertight integrity. This report will examine the concept of compartmentation, its role in preventing folding, and fac- the factors that includes this effectiveness is maintaining watertight regulation and integrity.
Compartmentation refers to the division of a ship hull into separate, watertight compartmentation using bulkhead, decks, and other structural elements. These compartments limit the spread of water in the event of a hull breach, preventing the vessel from becoming overwhelmed and ensuring its continued stability and buoyancy. This size and arrangement of this compartmentation are carefully considered during the design phase, influenced by factors like the ship size, type, and intended operation environment.
That's all.